All right, Tim, you ready for this?
Yeah,
what are we doing today?
We're jumping out of an airplane.
Out of what airplane?
That one.
No way. Bro, Brad, we're out here, man. Skydive City. You sure about this?
Absolutely. Let's
Tell
do
everybody
it.
what we're doing.
We're going skydiving, baby.
How high are we gonna be?
1350.
13,500, bro. It's like 2.5 miles above the earth.
Good, let's do it.
Falling at 130 miles an hour.
Let's do it.
As I say this, I don't think it's a great idea.
I think it's a great idea.
Yeah,
Let's
man.
do it.
So it's gonna be a lot of fun, dude. It's gonna be you, me, and my buddy Adam. Next time I see you, we're getting on the airplane. Is there anything you want to say to family or friends who couldn't be here?
Sorry, I didn't tell you that I was going skydiving, but let's do it.
Let's do it.